So today's home workout is a 10-minute calorie burning HIIT workout you can do at home. Don't need any equipment, and as you're a qualified online trainer, at least Wyndham-Read, you're in safe hands. So we've got 10 moves. The first move we are going to do together. Obviously we're doing them all together, but the first move is going to be a warm-up. So if you're ready, let's get started right now. We're going to get ready now. The first minute, we're simply just going to be doing a march and a warm-up. So just join in with me now. So the point of doing a warm-up is it's going to help to increase our core body temperature. Now the warmer we are, that means then our muscles are more durable, they're more pliable, so it just means we get a fuller range of motion with each exercise. And a warm-up should always just be a really light cardio, so just follow me. Let's just do a little toe tap, and also what we want to do is just mobilize through all your joints. All right, we're going to do this for another 30 seconds, then we're going straight to move 2. So how it's going to work today is we're going to do 60 seconds and then you'll get 10 seconds of me showing you the move, then we'll get straight into it. All right, so it's a quick workout, but I want it to be super effective. We're not hanging around having to wait 30 seconds before we do another move. We get straight into it. Okay, so what I want you to do now, you carry on marching. Let me show you the first move. So the first one, we're going to do 4 star jumps. Then once we've done 4 star jumps, we go to 4 punches, then back to 4 star jumps, okay? So let's get ready. We're going to do it for exactly 60 seconds. So let's go 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold it here, punch it 4, 3, 2, 1. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Punch it 4, 3, 2, 1. Go 4, 3, 2, 1. And punch it 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Punch it 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Punch it 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 to go. That's good. So 4 star jumps, 4 punches. Do it in your own time. 2, 3, 4. 4 punches. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch it 1, 2, 3, 4. And nearly done. Let's just finish it off. 4 more punches. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And march it out. Let me show you the next move. So this one, we're going to kick 1, 2. Then we're going to do a jump. Then we kick 1 and 2. And jump, kick 1 and 2. All right, so we're going to get ready. We're going to do it for 60 seconds. Remember, this is tough. That's why I'm also showing you an alternative. All right, so side on, slight squat, and now give me 2 kicks. Go 1 and 2. 180-degree turn. Kick it 1 and 2, and turn it. Go 1 and 2. Turn. Take it 1 and 2. Add that turn. Go 1 and 2. Add the turn. 1 and 2. Add the jump. Kick it 1 and 2. Jump. Kick 1 and 2. All right, keeping that going. We're over halfway on this jump, and kick 1 and 2. Jump it, kick it 1 and 2. Take it to that jump. Kick 1 and 2. Jump. 1, 2. All right, got just under 15 seconds. Keep going if you can. Doing really well. Jump, kick 1 and 2. Jump. 1, 2. And again, kick it 1, 2, the last one, and we are done. Okay, so you just carry on marching on the spot. Remember, if you need to, you can always hit the pause button. Let me show you the next move. So for the next one, we're going to do 30 seconds where you jump up and you jump down. So you kick up and then back down. Then after we've done 30 seconds, we're going to change and take that to the opposite leg, okay? So let's get ready. Let's go 3, 2, 1. Kick the leg in front, then we touch the ground. Kick it up and down. Kick up and down. All right, that's good. So what we're gonna do, after 30 seconds, we change with the leading leg. Remember, if you want the easier version, follow on the other side. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. You've got 10 more seconds to go on this leg. So you kick up, reach down, kick it up, reach it down. All right, let's get ready and let's change. Take that to this leg now. Kick in front and down, kick in front and down, reach up and down, kick up and down. All right, it's good, it's a tough one, but then so are you. And down. Doing really well. Kick it up and down, kick up and down. You've got 5 seconds left from now. Kick down and well done. Oh goodness, march it out for me. Show you the next move. So this one simply, we're doing a skater's lunge punch down. All right, so deep breath in, deep breath out. Let's get ready. Let's go 3, 2, 1. So we punch it down. Skater's lunge punch down. All right, doing really well. So this is move 5. We are halfway through today's workout. So like with every exercise you do, really focus in putting in 100% effort with this. All right, that's good. So we're punching down, reaching that across, doing really well. So it's a really intense, hard calorie burning workout today. That's good, but just 10 minutes. We really don't need long workouts. You can do so much in short workouts as long as you're doing especially creative moves like these. Multi-compound moves, multi-directional. If you want to learn more about that, I'll leave a little link so you can read it in my blog explaining how these moves are so effective. All right, give me 5 more seconds. 5, let's go 4, take it 3, go 2, and then 1, and just march that out. The next move, we're going to do 10 running punches, counting for 10, and then 10 for 10 skips, all right? So let's get ready, nearly finished today. Let's go with 10 running punches and take it 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me 10 for 10 skips. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to 10 running punches. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 10 skips. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And 10 punches. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 10 punches. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wowie, well done. You're done on that. Let's just march it out. Okay, so we're on move 7 now. Let me just quickly show you the move. We're simply going to hop from one leg to the other. Again, just doing that for 60 seconds. If you want the low impact, I'm going to show you an easier alternative. So let's get ready. 3, 2, 1. So hop, land softly, and hop from one side to the other. All right, that's good. And again, these are really dynamic moves, going to increase your calorie burn, but the best thing of all is going to make your heart really strong. We're increasing your fitness, your balance, your flexibility, reducing stress, anxiety. We're ticking every box. All right, that's good. Keep that going for me. Doing really well. Jump from one side to the other, and you can make this harder by jumping further and landing deeper into that like half leg squats. All right, that's good. Keeping that going, and you can speed it up as well. All right, nearly finished on this. Just keep going to the end. Last little bit. Really good. And 5, let's go 4. Take it 3, 2, and 1. Well done, and march it out. Move number 8. We are going to simply do 4 punches, then from there we hold it here and 4 side reaches. So come into a half squat, knees bent, tummy pulled in tight, and let's go 3, 2, 1. Punch it 1, go 2, 3 and 4. Now hold it here, reach it down, center, down, center, down, center, down, then punch it 4, 3, 2 and 1, reach it over. So now we're really working through your waist, but we're still getting that cardio up with those punches. 2 and 1, reach it down and down. That's good, keeping that going, really good. 1, 2, 3 and 4, reach that across and down and down. Really good. All right, punch it over and reach. That's good. Keeping that going. And give me 4 more punches. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Really put some power in those punches. Reach that one side to the other. And again, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And again, 1 and 2, 3, last 1 and 4. All right, just march it out. Okay, so let me just quickly show you this one, march on the spot. So this is a little bit different. From here, what I want you to do, we're going to start by doing a big jump forward squat. Then we're going to do 4 traveling knee lifts back, and then we jump and travel that back for 4. Okay, so let's go 3, 2, 1. So take it to a jump squat, land. Now take it 1, go 3, 2, 3 and 4, and now take that to that big jump, land deep, and let's go 4, take it 3, 2 and 1. Remember, if you don't want the high impact, follow on the other side. 1, go 2, let's go 3 and 4, take it to that big jump, and then 4, go 3, 2 and 1, and take it to that jump, land softly. 1, let's go 2, 3 and 4, and big deep jump, and go 4, 3, 2 and 1, big jump, land, and 4, let's go 3, 2 and 1, and again, and take it 4, go 3, 2, 1, once more, and take it 4, go 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so for the last 60 seconds now, this one is fun. We're going to do a little bit of freestyle. So I want you to do anything you want. You might want to do pretend skipping, you might want to do crazy dancing, however you dance, you might want to just march on the spot. Whatever it is, let's just keep going and do that. You can keep that heart rate up. You might want to do some punching in front. Let's just keep going. If you want to dance, do crazy dancing around the room, then do. And as your trainer, while you're working out now, these last 30 seconds, let me tell you, you have invested in your future health. This is all about getting as healthy and fit as we can for the rest of our life. This is about not a quick fix. We want to make this part of a lifestyle. This is why, as your trainer, I want to be providing you always with these free, effective workouts. So what I want you to do is, whatever move you are doing right now, give me another 10 seconds. So whatever you are doing, and let's count down. Let's go 5, take it 4, go 3, 2 and 1. Now just keep moving for me. It's really important we don't just stop straight away. Let's do some nice big shoulder circles. Let's get that heart rate back down. Deep breath in and then deep breath out. Well done. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Take it to a little toe tap on there for me. Let's slowly bring that heart rate down. So that's a really good, effective workout. Remember, you've got these on my channel. They're completely free. You can use them as often as you want. The key thing is we've got to keep moving our bodies. This isn't a quick fix. We want to make it a habit, a lifestyle. All right. So what I would say, if you're not ready, definitely come find me on Facebook and Instagram for daily motivation. So we're going to do another 10 seconds, getting that heart rate down. Then what I would say at the end of the video, I'm going to leave a little link. Come up and come over and do my cool down stretch with me. Deep breath in, deep breath out. You and I always finish with one of those. That is your high five. Keep investing in the most important muscle of all, your heart. And if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, definitely subscribe, because I've got so many new workouts coming for you soon.